What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Spell, which I actually wanted to make a video before this spike, which we just saw in the last 30 minutes. I already found Spell this morning and I'll tell you how I found it and stuff, and I also sent a message on it in the premium group in the chat room. So was already identified. I'll show you how to identify this a little bit so that you might be able to identify this in the future. But we'll talk about it in this video, what's possible. I mean, obviously right now it's in the middle, it's in the middle of getting a rally. So it is very, very volatile and it's hard to predict. Like the volume is up 600%. A lot of volume coming from BTC Turk and top credit, so it is manipulated. So that means that a lot of things can happen here. It has already rallied up about 30% from here, so it already has had quite a significant rally. But we'll still talk about what's possible and if it can even get higher than this. And just in general, like I said, what to expect. Like I also said, I identified this a little bit earlier, so I don't have all the price targets ready, but we'll get through it. All right. So before we dive into that, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium group, like I said. In which I share my own trades as signals, but I also, in the chat room, there's a lot of value as well. There's a lot of traders there. And like I said, I did tell people about Spell early. Like I think I can actually, well, no, I don't have Telegram open. But around this area right here, around 4,200. So since then, it rallied up even a good 17%, and it's not done yet. So the main reason how I found that, so if you would like to join that, by the way, links will be down in the description. But the reason why it was interesting is because of this. So if you take a look at Spell right now, first of all, the volume is increasing rapidly, and it already was way earlier today, right? So that was already, the volume was already up like 300% a couple of hours ago. So then you could have already seen like, hey, this is interesting. And then what you can see here as well on Leviathan, so that's LAEVITAS.ch. The open interest was up a lot as well, doubled almost. And then there you could have just known it. And right now it's absolutely skyrocketing because of this rally. But before that, there were already signs. And what you could have done is, for example, after this bullish breakout right here of the 200 EMA, you could have said, that's a bullish breakout, I'm entering right now. Or you could have set a fib right here. You can see that the Fibonacci level actually retraced all the way back down to the 0.382 fib. So that could have been a great entry. That's basically how to catch these rallies. You still need some guidance, I would say, but still. So now the big question is, like, it's almost impossible to say when this is going to end. All right, if you go to the daily time frame, you'll see that there's major resistance around 5,000. I would say that's the strongest level, like around 5,000 right now. It looks like we're going up there. We could go way higher. Like if on the 1 hour time frame we break above 5,000 and 5,100. There's potential of going all the way up to 6,000, all right? That's just what you should imagine with this. It's potential to go all the way up to 6,000. Around 6,000, it's going to be like, that's a very strong resistance. But getting there is very possible from here. It just depends on what we do right now. Like if Spell is able to break above 5,000 and hold its support level, so hold that level as support afterwards, then it will rally higher. It will rally to 5,500. It can rally all the way up to 6,000. If, for example, and that's the other side of the story, and that's really like, we just have to wait for this now. It's manipulated. There's almost no way in which you can like accurately analyze this. So the other scenario is that it finds resistance at 5,000 and 5,100, and that it's not able to get above that today. If that happens, it's most likely over, right? So it could really go both ways. Right now, it mainly depends on the reaction to 5,000 and 5,100. If that holds as resistance, that's bad news. That's bearish. If it breaks above that, then this could be a very big rally. So yeah, that's my take on Spell. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.